So we find the table of the group A of the frequency distribution table. We find the table of group A with the help of frequency distribution table. In this group, marks are a class interval. Group A, the frequency distribution of group A and the midpoint of group A and the deviation of group A, d square, f into d and f d square. The given data is that, so we find the value of mean, variance and standard deviation. Standard deviation. So therefore we find the mean of the given data. Mean A equal to 45, H is equal to 10, capital N is equal to 150 and sigma FD equal to -6 and sigma FD square equal to 342. Then you find the mean of x bar equal to a plus sigma FD upon n into h, that's equal to 45 minus 6 upon 150 into 10, that's equal to 45 minus 0.4, that's equal to 44.6. This is the mean of given data. This is the mean of a given data. So we find the value of variance. Variance is equal to sigma square equal to h square upon n square, n into sigma fd square minus sigma fd whole square. So therefore 10 square upon 150 square, 150 into 342 minus 6 whole square. So therefore 100 upon 225 150 into 342 minus 36. So therefore sigma square is equal to 100 upon 225 into 51264, that's equal to 227 sigma square equal to 227.84. This is the value of the variance. This is the value of a variance. ये जो है हमारे वेरिएंस की वैल्यू है. नाउ वी फाइंड द स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन. Now we find the standard deviation. Standard deviation sigma is equal to under root variance, that's under root 227.84, that's equal to 15.09. 15.09 is the standard deviation for the group A. This value is the standard deviation for group A. This value is the standard deviation for group A. Now we find the value of group B. Value of group B. For group B, marks 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. Frequency F, midpoint X, D equal to X minus A upon X, and D square F into D and FD square. Now we find the frequency of 10, 20, 30, 25, 43, 15, and 7. Then you find the midpoint of something. Midpoint of the class interval 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, and 75. 45 is the assumed mean. 55 is the assumed mean, and D equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So D square 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, and 9. F into D 10 into 3 minus 30, minus 20, minus 2, 40, minus 40, minus 30, 0. (43), 30, and 21. This is a FD, and FD square find the sum of FD. Sigma of FD -6, and FD square (90, 80, 30, 0). 43, 63. Sigma FD square 366 and sigma of 150. Sigma of 150. Clear? This is the table of group B, and after that, according to this table, we find the mean, variance and standard deviation. We find the mean, variance and standard deviation. H is equal to 10, N is equal to 150, and sigma FD equal to -6, sigma FD square 366, and A equal to 45. A equal to 45. Then we find the mean. X bar equal to A plus sigma FD upon N into H. So 45 minus 6 upon 150 into 10, that's equal to 45 minus 0.4 equal to 44.6, and the variance sigma square equal to H square upon N square, N into sigma FD square minus sigma FD whole square. 100 square upon 150 square, 150 into 366 minus 6 square. Clear? And 100 upon 22500 into 54900 minus 36. So therefore we find the value of variance sigma square equal to 100 upon 22500 into 54864, and that's equal to sigma square equal to 243.84. That is sigma square. Now find the standard deviation standard deviation sigma equal to under root variance and under root variance equal to 243.84, that's equal to 15.9, 15.61. So mean of both group is same. Mean of both group is same. दोनों ग्रुप का मीन सेम है, तो मीन ऑफ बोथ ग्रुप इज सेम, बट द डेविएशन ऑफ ग्रुप बी इज ग्रेटर. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन group B is more variable. Clear? Okay, thank you.